Hi everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing from you. Yes, it's from the UK. It's Witch Casket for October. I am so excited. And we got it pretty early this month. They must have sent it out nice and early. So again, I'm super excited. Our Witch Casket. Okay. Oh, this is what it looks like. Alright, so let's block that light out so it's not blinding the video. Alright. Hopefully that's good. Alright, our theme is manifestation magic. Here we go. Manifestation magic. Looks cool. Alright, so that's going to be our theme. Everything's going to match that. So our first item is our art. And this is pretty awesome. Right? I like that a lot. Alright. Right on top, we have a beautiful journal. If you can see it, got the moon, diamonds. I'm not sure. It looks like diamonds over here. I guess they're gemstones. It's got an orange ribbon. We got... it's a manifestation journal. It says, I am manifesting practical things I can do to manifest my desired outcome. Magical things I can do to manifest my desired outcome. So yes, this is what it looks like. And I believe the whole book is a cool manifestation journal. Very nice. Don't have that. And we have our spell kit. And of course it matches everything. And this says, because my lighting's terrible, Candle Manifestation Ritual. Contains everything you need for this simple yet powerful ritual to help you achieve your desires. Okay. I'm almost done emptying out this room to move. So it'll get better, guys. We got a very large orange chime candle. We got the spell, which is really cute. And the herbs. And the herbs are orange candle, rosemary, and dandelion leaf. Okay. We have a black sachet. And in here we got, oh my goodness, it's adorable. It's a mini moon bell. That is freaking, I love it. It's so cute. And of course the matching card. Altar bell, and it goes over the information about that. That is really awesome. I love it. It's perfect size, especially if you want to go somewhere. Nice. They have such awesome stuff they create. They really do. Oh my goodness. Then we have this black sachet. What do we got in this baby? All right, let's see. We have a beautiful, mine looks like citrine. We have a cord necklace. And I got a nice rough citrine, looks like, in wire wrap. And of course, beautiful matching tag. And this one says, Natural citrine pendant. Citrine is a powerful stone of manifestation and personal willpower and grounding energy. Of citrine encourages new projects, fresh ideas, and new beginnings. Wear this pendant as an aid to transform your dreams and desires into something tangible. Cool. Pretty, pretty. And we have our beautiful scroll. Again, the beautiful matching sticker. Okay, please. No, it didn't work. Oh, it doesn't want to release. Oh, guys, sorry. Usually release is pretty easy. Okay, got it. Our book of shadow sheet. Okay. Moon phases for manifestation, which is awesome. Everybody needs to know the moon energy when we're doing spells. We have this pretty box, and it says Manifestation Spell Candle Holder. Exclusive spell candle holder. Ooh. It's a black. Nice. You can put herbs in here and your candle in there. Very cool. It's like a very hard metal, I guess. Sorry. Everybody waking up over there? A very nice candle holder. I like it. What other wonderful items do we have? Ooh. Witch Casket Magic Incantations deck. Check out that. They create such awesome stuff. They really do. It's got magnet. What's your desire? I mean, really thought out items. This is the cards, I believe. Yeah. And it says, choose the card to match your desire. What is your wish to manifest? Use the card as part of any spell or ritual. Can also be used to meditate. So you can do it any way you'd like. And these are all different cards. Courage. We got love. My protection, my lighting's terrible. But you get the idea. These are really awesome. Business success. These are really nice. All different. I love it. They have, like I said, I keep repeating it, but they have awesome, awesome, exclusive, beautiful items that you can't find anywhere else. Amazing. I like that deck. We have our wonderful pin. Really pretty. Matching card. Really like that. We have, ooh, our tumble stone. Looks like hematite. Or no, it's kind of heavy. Could be terahertz. No, that's light. It's got to be hematite. No, it's pyrite. Pyrite. Matching cool card. This is how bad my lighting is. It's pyrite. I thought it was black. Tumble stone. And pyrite is not only a powerful protection stone, it is also great to manifestation properties, believed to be a lucky stone, and is thought to attract prosperity. they also call it fool's gold. And our last item, I believe, is our incense. And we got our sticks again this month, and it's manifestation incense, and of course it matches. And it says a bewitching blend of patchouli and orange. And of course, it's their exclusive, beautiful design. All right, so let's go over what's in the box. All right, yes, that is everything. Okay. So, as always, a lovely, lovely box. October 22. We have a beautiful greetings, magical witches. We hope the contents of our October casket help you with your magical manifestation and that you feel empowered to visualize your goals and make them a reality. We have had so much fun creating this for you, and we send it with all our love and positive energy. Please read through this pamphlet, of course. Okay. The beautiful magical incantations deck, an exclusive. Choose a card to match your desire. What is the wish you want to manifest? Use the card as part of any spell or ritual. You can also meditate with it, carry them with you, and use the incantation regularly to reinforce your intentions until your desires are manifested. The manifestation spell candle holder. A magical must have for every witch. Exclusive spell candle holder allows you to neatly and safely encircle your candles with magical herbs, crystal amulets, and affirmations. Magical moon altar bell. Oh my gosh, that cute bell. Another exclusive, a bewitching bell, etched with the magical moon, created just for you. Ring the bell to signify the beginning and the end of rituals. Altar bells can also be used for cleansing and banishing, as ringing the bell clears away stagnant or negative energies. The manifestation book. Ah, yes, I forgot about this already. This cool book. Another exclusive with special pages to note down your desires and your practical and magical steps you can take to manifest them. Then the natural raw citrine, another exclusive, which I already told you about the citrine. The candle manifestation ritual kit. Comes with the orange candle, rosemary, dandelion, and the instructions. Moon manifestation parchment scroll. Beautiful leather exclusive. The pyrite and info card. The beautiful pin. It says opaline. I'm butchering the name, but it says opulent pentacle pin. Has long been used by witches as a symbol of protection. The points of the pentacle representing the 5 elements in earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, the 5 things essential to sustain life. The circle circle surrounding them contains and protects. It also connects the 5 points indicating the earth, air, fire, water, and spirit are all connected. And then, of course, our beautiful card, our art card. And what else? Did I miss something? Oh, yeah. And then our beautiful incense. Another awesome exclusive item. Let me know, guys, what you think of October's Witch Casket. I always love them. I'll leave the information down below. Thanks for watching.